Hello everyone. We all have different kinds of food which varies with color, flavor, etc. Our daily meals include different food items consisting of different food ingredients which is said to be important. So today let us find out the reason behind it in our lesson Components of Food. The components of the food which are essential for our body is called nutrients. The various major nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. We can carry out certain simple tests to detect the presence of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Test for carbohydrate. For this test, we are going to use slice of potato and iodine solution. We have to take a slice of potato and add 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution on the slice. Observe it. Potato slowly turns blue-black color, which indicates that carbohydrate is present in potato. Now let us take a look at test for protein. This test requires copper sulfate solution and caustic soda solution. Milk is a sample for the test of proteins. Take 2 to 5 ml of milk in a test tube and add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution. Later, add 10 drops of caustic soda solution slowly drop by drop. The milk color changes to purple or violet color. So, the purple color indicates the presence of protein in milk. Now, let us have a look at test for fats. To know the presence of fat in given sample, we have to take a sheet of paper. In this, ghee is a sample. So, take little amount and rub it gently on the paper. If the paper turns translucent, it indicates that the sample contains fats. Let us move on to understand what do various nutrients do for our body. First one, carbohydrates and fats. Foods containing carbohydrates and fats are called energy-giving foods. Some sources of carbohydrates are papaya, potato, sweet potato, wheat, etc. Some sources of fats are fish, eggs, meat, etc. Second major nutrient is proteins. Proteins are often called as body building foods. Food sources rich in proteins are grams, soya beans, fish, eggs, milk, paneer, etc. Third one is vitamins. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Vitamins also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. Vitamins are divided into different types. Vitamin A. It keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Example, papaya, carrot and mango. Second one is vitamin B complex. It contains group of vitamins. Example, wheat and rice. Next is vitamin C. It helps our body to fight against many diseases. Example, guava, lemon, amla and orange. Vitamin D. It helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Example, fish, butter and milk. Our body also prepares vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Another major nutrient is dietary fibers. Dietary fibers are also known as roughage. Roughage is mainly provided by plant products in our foods. Main sources of roughage are pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits and vegetables. Roughage helps our body get rid of undigested food. Minerals. Minerals are essential for proper growth and to maintain good health. Types of minerals are iodine. Example, fish and maize. Second one is phosphorus. Example, rice, wheat, milk and butter. Third one is iron. Example, meat and leafy vegetables. And then there is calcium. Example, milk and nuts. The food which contains all the nutrients along with roughage and water in a proper quantities on regular basis is called a balanced diet. Deficiency of one or more nutrients in our food for long time may cause certain diseases or disorders. Some diseases caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals are: first one, vitamin A, which causes loss of vision. Symptoms can be poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, and sometimes complete loss of vision. Vitamin B1 causes beriberi disorder. Symptoms are weak muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin C causes scurvy disease. Symptoms are bleeding gums and wounds taking longer time to heal. Vitamin D causes rickets, where bones become soft and bent. Deficiency of calcium causes bone and tooth decay, having weak bones and tooth decay as symptoms. Deficiency of iodine causes goiter disorder. Symptoms are glands in the neck appear swollen and mental disability in children. Deficiency of iron causes anemia disease. Symptoms is weakness. So this was all about our today's lesson, components of food. Different foods and food groups are good sources for various macronutrients and micronutrients. So, a diverse diet is most likely to meet good human health. Knowing about various components of food is important as it allows us to choose variety of foods from each food group. Thank you, students.